Creating a virtual desktop or using Windows Sandbox can be quite helpful. Windows Sandbox provides a lightweight desktop environment to safely run applications in isolation. Here's how to set it up. Enable Windows Sandbox. Type Windows Features in the search menu. Click on Windows Features on or off from the search results. In the Windows Features dialog box, scroll down and find Sandbox. Check the box next to it and click OK. Windows will install all the necessary files, so make sure you have an active internet connect. When it's done, open Windows Sandbox. Type Windows Sandbox in the search bar and open it. If prompted, allow the app to make changes to your device. Using Windows Sandbox. The Windows Sandbox looks like a fresh installation of Windows. Install and run applications within the Sandbox. Windows Sandbox is a secure, disposable environment. Any changes made within the Sandbox won't affect your main system. Once done, close the Sandbox, and all changes will be discarded.